What's up, everybody? Back with another video, and today I am going to fix the offset problem that I've had on my GTR. It's not bad. When I first got my wheels, I kind of liked the way that they looked, but after I went to that meet that I filmed the other day, they don't just sit quite as flush, I would say, with the fenders as I would like. I don't want them sticking out, but I'm going to give it a shot today of fixing the offset a little bit. And also I want to show you guys this awesome garage banner that my lovely fiance got for me. Love it. So anyway, I picked up some spacers. I'm going to do 20 millimeters in the rear and 15 in the front. And this is the issue that I want to try and correct here. It's not terrible, but I think it could be a little better. So I picked up these bolt-on spacers from Amazon. Like I said, 15 millimeters in the front, 20 in the rear, and let's go ahead and put them on and see how it looks. Alright, so the reason why I went with a bolt-on type spacer is because I didn't want the amount of threads on the lug nuts to be shortened. This will allow me to keep the amount of threads on there. When you're ordering these kinds of things, one of the most important things not only is the size of the bolt pattern, which on this car is 5 by 114.3, but also you have to know the size of the hub. So the GTR, any Skyline in general, happens to be 66.1 millimeters. And the reason that it's important is because this ring on the spacer will sit on the hub, which is this part right here. So this is the hub. So it will sit hub centric like that. Now the reason that that's important is so it doesn't wobble around. So right now this is loose, but up and down, this isn't going anywhere. So that's one of the most important things, because when you have a hub or something that's spinning, and if it's off even by a little bit, it will create a wobble. So, and that's the last thing you want to have when you're going at a high rate of speed, or really any rate of speed. So that's why it's important to know what your hub size is and get that appropriate. All right, so now I got that done. I got all the bolts in. So the next thing that's important is to torque all the lug nuts. Now you're going to have to do this twice for each wheel because now you have double the amount of lug nuts. So the first thing you have to do is torque these down, and then once you get the wheel back on, you're going to have to torque those down again. You can always Google the torque specs on the vehicle if you don't know. Usually it's inside the driver's side door. There's a little sticker there, but everything on this car is in Japanese, and I can't speak Japanese or read it. So I had to Google it. On the GTR, it just happens to be 80 foot-pounds, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so she's all torqued down, and let's check out this fitment. Damn. That looks pretty freaking good. So I am super happy with that. I'm going to take it for a drive and make sure that everything is nice and tight. It is recommended to re-torque everything after about 50 miles of driving. So that's not including the wheels. It's also including the wheels, but I have to take them off, re-torque the spacers, and then re-torque the wheels again. So, so if you ever do this, it's always recommended to recheck the torque after 50 miles. So I'm going to take it for a drive. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully there's some more parts coming soon. Few surprises, so stay tuned. They should be here by next week. So I think you guys will like it. I'll see you later.